Good morning, tiny boat friends. Well, it took us 3 hours to go and shop for some supplies to kind of modify the trailer. We went to Lowe's, we found some hardware. I've got this mount. I'm going to have to drill out the hole here to make it a 1/2 inch, which won't be a problem. And that will mount on this bracket here that came with the trailer. And then I had this 2x8 from building our deck 5 years ago, and I went to Ollie's and purchased this. It's upside down. Outdoor carpet for $14.99. We had to buy a couple of these U-bolts. Alright guys, I got the brackets and stuff on the middle bunker. So I want to show you what I did. I just found those braces at Lowe's. There was 2 holes here already. I drilled holes on the outside for extra support, and that's not going anywhere. Same thing for this back bracket. I think we're good. All right, guys, we're finished with the bunks. Now we're going to bring the boat out here and set it on here. The hopes, I think these are going to be too high, but that's as low as we can go. The hopes was that the pontoons would rest on the outside and this would rest on the inside. I think we're going to not be high enough for this, and we can't adjust it any higher, so it's going to be what it's going to be.
We're off the wheel well.
Better. Much better. Like on the... There you go. We'll set this DFO. Top heavy that way. We're resting. Oh yeah, I think that's good right there. Man, I just crashed my boat. Let's put this on first. Does it need to roll? Maybe not. That's the bearing. Cool. That's good. Does that make sense? All right, guys, Gannon and I just finished up. We just finished up the winch. We got it adjusted where we need it. The only thing I need to do is I need to buy some hardware. I'm gonna mount like a hook here on that little flat piece, so I'll be able to tie the boat in right here. Yeah, so that centerpiece is not sitting on the bottom of the boat, but it will be a guide. All the weight's going onto the pontoons on these outer bunks. We've got it balanced. Let you look underneath here. If you can see anything, I don't know. But that center bunk is what we kind of modified for it to work. I mean, everything is ready to go. And Lord willing and the creek don't rise, me and Gannon will be going fishing in the morning at Boone Lake. We're going to leave real early. We're going to go to the tackle box and get some shiners. And we're going to go, what are we fishing for tomorrow? What are we fishing for tomorrow? Striper. Yeah. It's all right, guys. Y'all have a great day, and God bless. We did it, man. She's done and ready to go fishing tomorrow. We need to get everything loaded on tonight. I got a tarp, a waterproof tarp, and get our lunch together, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. I like it. Looks good.